and welcome to the 8th episode of The Word This Week. A man was having a haircut. Now, that seems like quite a luxury, doesn't it, during this pandemic? As he was chatting with the barber, the discussion veered towards God. The barber emphatically claimed that God does not exist. If he did, why would there be so many sick, hungry, and homeless people in the world? As the customer finished his crop, he noticed a man with long, tangled hair and an unkempt beard outside. So, pointing to him, he told his hairdresser, "I think there are no salons in this town." The barber was shocked. "How could you say that after I just cut your hair?" The customer illustrated this further. If there are salons, how could there be people with long hair and shabby flowing beards? The barber was perplexed and tried to reason. "Look, if they don't come to me for a haircut or shave, what can we do?" To which the customer explained, "Precisely. In the same way, unless you go to God, how can you accuse Him of not helping, of not even existing?" Friends, the first step to lead a happy and peaceful life is to believe in God and place our trust in Him, to lay all our problems at His feet, to pray persistently, fervently, without ceasing, with folded hands, with tears on your knees. Cry out to Him with unshakable faith. Remember that solemn promise, "Ask for anything in my name and I will do it." In fact, He tells us that when we pray for something, we must believe that we have already received it and it will be ours. But there are conditions. We can ask for forgiveness only if we forgive others, only if we help others, without a quid pro quo, without expecting something in return, and we need to submit to His will. Remember, even Mother Mary showed such great obedience. "Let it be done to me according to your will." Why, even Jesus did the same thing. "Let this chalice pass away from me, but thy will be done." Friends, no matter what your situation is, your most reliable friend, your most dependable ally is God Himself. And miracles do happen, trust me, miracles do happen. All you need is faith. Faith like that of that Roman soldier officer who told Jesus, "I am not worthy that you should enter under my roof. Just say a word wherever you are and my subordinate will be healed." Faith like that lady who merely touched the garment, the robes of Jesus, and was instantaneously healed. When we turn to God, there will always be a turnaround. Thank you for watching.